Alright, I finally did it. So I know this has been a long time. I've had so many requests for a wall, 8-foot by 8-foot wall for a lot of different purposes. And I wanted to stay away from it because it can be such a headache. And especially if people want to do it outdoors, oh man, you're asking for trouble. But it depends where you're at. And just so you know, it's an 8-foot by 8-foot using 2 sheets of plywood, which they're a 4-foot by 8 wide and a 4-foot by 8-foot wide. The shelves I have here are 6 foot long. And they're just long enough just for like a smaller style book like this. I wouldn't recommend putting big old books on this for the hooks that I got. So let me tell you about how I attach these shelves because they're actually removable. So for the shelving, I actually got some clips off of Amazon that definitely work out better for this. They hide it and it's easy to take off and on. And since it's 1/2 inch thick, it fits perfect. If you go with the other plans and build vertical and 1/4 inch, they won't be able to work. But with this 1/2 inch, works perfectly fine. And then also what you have to do is add these little corner pieces to make sure to kind of give it some extra support so it doesn't push down, because right now it's just kind of on those little hinges I have in the back and they just pop off. So just like that, has some hinges in the back. These are from Amazon. I'll have those linked down below. Alright, let's go ahead and show you the back. Those are supports, and then we do have our side piece that we attach, which helps keeps the bottom in. And you definitely need those braces. It gives that support. Goes all the way up, all the way in the back. Again, I'll have all the measurements in the plans. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I know this took me a long time to put together. Definitely appreciate the support. If you want the plans for these, they're going to be linked down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.